Time stops when I'm falling for you.
Guys, I'm gonna start by using the face mask. I think I got to my local Walmart for about $1.99 or so. My face is really dull today, so I think this would help a whole lot. Okay guys, so my skin is absolutely looking a whole lot better. It feels a whole lot better. That was actually a really good mask. Like, it went in deep into my pores. Like, my skin feels different. It feels fresher. So following the mask, I usually go in with vitamin E oil. And it usually just takes a few drops. And next I'm going to go in with my Maybelline primer. So I'm just going to start by brushing my brows. I could definitely use some tweezing. I'm going to fill in my brow using my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Deep Brow Pomade in Ebony. Guys, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow application. I'm going to first start by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. primer. There's pretty much no name. It's a little bit grainy. For my look today, I'm going to be using the ZULU palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start with the crease color, which is going to be the pink. I am going to apply the purple onto my lids, and I'm just using a flat brush. I'm going to switch this up into a halo eye look. I'm going to apply my concealer and cut the crease right in the middle, and I'm going to go in and apply the rose gold pink. I'm just going to blend that purple a little in with the rose gold, just on the sides. Just blend it in a little bit. That way it kind of looks like a little bit of a transition. Just gotta be a little bit careful. You just need like a really light touch. Okay, and just to make sure there's a nice smooth transition, I'm gonna go in with the brown at the top. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this, and I'm just going to apply this above the pink eyeshadow. Just kind of blend that a little bit in and kind of make it a little more, you know, closer to my skin tone. I'm going to line my eyes using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and this is a waterproof liquid liner in Trooper Black. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and I am in shade 430. I feel like it's been a really long time since I used this foundation. I would color correct, but I am out of a color corrector, so we're just going to apply the foundation and hope to God. To contour and conceal my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 30, as well as my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Espresso. You guys, and to set my face, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder. So moving on, I'm going to contour my cheeks just a little bit more, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics. This is a 10 color palette, and I'm going to be using the second darkest shade. just gonna get rid of that double chin. I made that on Valentine's Day. Okay guys, to complete my under eyes, I'm pretty much just gonna dust underneath with the purple because I am pretty much obsessed with this eyeshadow basically. I'm just gonna spritz a really pointy brush, and just to make the cut crease sharper, I'm gonna take this into the rose gold, and I am just gonna apply that to the crease line. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some full mink lashes. This one is from Huda Beauty and the name is Noel number 14. Hey guys, so I went off camera and I applied the lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in black. I'm going back into my contour palette from BH Cosmetics. I am just going to apply a brow bone color. I'm going to take this one here. Before I apply highlighter, I'm pretty much just going to go ahead real quick and spritz my face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. And while that quickly dries up, I'm going to apply my lipstick, and I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. I did a little shopping on Friday, and I always really wanted to try her lipstick. I haven't tried her foundation. I pretty much haven't tried anything, so I decided to start with the lashes on the lipstick and see how it goes. And pretty much I've been impressed. These lashes are awesome, and I do feel like this lipstick is going to be bomb, guys. And the packaging is quite nice. And this lipstick is called Girlfriend. It's a liquid matte lipstick. It's more on the nude side. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. The color is gorgeous. And it smells good. It smells like coffee or cocoa. I really love this lipstick, but I feel like I could definitely use a lip liner. So I'm gonna quickly go grab or do I don't know. I'm gonna buy some blush from my 10 color nude blush set from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go with this one today. I think I've never used it. It's more of a deep, I don't know what it is. Also like a deep plum, but I'm probably definitely wrong because I don't really know my colors. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Cinnamon. I'm just applying the rose gold pink eyeshadow to my inner tear duct. Okay guys, so this is my 2019 Valentine's Day look. Valentine's makeup inspiration. Let me know what you think about the look. I do have a few other looks that are Valentine's Day appropriate. I'm just gonna leave links to the videos, you know, somewhere on the screen. Last year I did play with some reds, but I decided to go with some purple and pink for this Valentine. So let me know what you think about this look. So far so good. I am loving it. I love the lipstick as well. I feel like I really need to try a lot more Huda Beauty products. I can't wait to try the setting powders and the foundation. I feel like I've just been sleeping on Huda Beauty for some reason. I'll be giving out a $150 Sephora gift card this Valentine's. The giveaway is open until Thursday, February 14th, and I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram channel on February 15th. So if you haven't already entered into the giveaway, I think it's high time you did. Pretty much just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link above. And just leave a comment on my previous video, the Valentine's outfits video. I'll leave a comment on the same video on my Instagram page. I hope that's simple enough. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.